Hi, Britt Malke here, and today I saw this great question on Twitter, or X, or whatever they call it at the moment. How do you keep yourself accountable when life gets busy? And my reply, Notion, to-dos in Notion, automatic new to-dos in Notion. Did I mention Notion? And let me show you my version of Notion. So here I have some to-do tasks that appears magically every day after midnight because I've set them up over here. But if you like something really simple in Notion, you just create a new page, call it to-do or to-dos if you have more than one, and then just type in here. You can type the square brackets and type space, and it will automatically create the first point on your to-do list, first point. Or you could simply write a slash and write to-do, and it will also give you a to-do list. And then you can simply type in your to-dos for the day. Let's say the second point, third point, and that's it. And then when you do the points, then you simply check them off here once you've done them. And I think it's very satisfying to just check off those points and get all my things done. Like I haven't done yet today, got busy with other things, but I will go through all of these and make sure to cross them off. Alright, at the moment I'm actually doing this video. So let's check it off now. Gone it is, and done it is.